Everyone, today in chapter number 3, communication ancient to modern times, the topic for today is postal service. See, postal service is somewhat related to post, which means to mail something or to send something. Now we can send letters, aerograms, money orders, parcels, etc. by the postal system. Okay, letters you might have been noticing or knowing it from your childhood. These are being sent and received, and in the recent Raksha Bandhan also you might have been seeing aerograms. These are being sent by the help of air cargo, okay, via air. Special air cargo planes are there by which aerograms are being sent. These are messages or letters. Money orders, you can send money to your relatives or friends by the help of post, and parcels are also received by the postal system. We can send a letter through normal post by putting it in an envelope and affixing a stamp on it. Okay, we simply do not write a letter or simply post it in the post box. No, we put it in an envelope and then we affix a stamp on it. Okay, stamp something look like this. This is a 25 rupee stamp. Okay, this elephant like structure. Okay, so what is the need of this stamp? This provides the authenticity. Okay, it is genuineness of this post, and hence it is also a medium of getting the money. The postal system, the post office gets the money to send the post. It requires money, so this money is being received by the help of these stamps only. By important or urgent letters can be sent through registered post or speed post, which provides time bound and express delivery of letters and parcels. Okay, so when you simply put a stamp and simply put it in a post box, then it may take some time. But if it is urgent or it is being sent within 2 days, so then it is being registered. Okay, we have to do in the registry in the post office only, or by a speed post. Okay, there are some private speed post also and some government speed post also, so both of them are working. This provide time bound delivery. Okay, time bound and express delivery. So if it is within countries, it can be sent within 1 day or 2 days, or if it is in abroad, so it can also take 1 or 2 days only to send there. Okay, so it is used to send faster delivery. The post office provide inlands, postcard, envelopes, stamps and aerograms for our usage. All these things are being get from the post office only. It is the most widely used means of communication. Complete address and pin code are the sender's responsibility for quick delivery. This complete address and pin code must be there, otherwise it is invalid. Okay, an address is incomplete without a pin code. Now what do you mean by pin code? Pin code is postal index number. Okay, in India a pin code has 6 digits. Each of the city have a special pin code with it. Like for example Jhansi. Do you know what is the pin code of Jhansi? Jhansi's pin code is 284001 or 284002. Okay, like for example Delhi. What is the pin code of Delhi? 110001. Okay, 110001. So it is start from there up to 45. And do you know what is the pin code of Mumbai? 400001. It is start from there, so it is the pin code of Mumbai. Like this, many pin codes are there. Okay, Jhansi, Mumbai is each of the city, whether it is small or whether it is big. If it is a big city, then it may having the multiple codes, and if it is a small city, then 2 or 3 codes. Okay, now coming to the next topic, telegraph. Now what do you mean by telegraph? See, telegraph was invented by Samuel Morse. Okay, remember this name? Samuel Morse invented the electric telegraph. Okay, so telegram were used to send short messages in the form of a code called the Morse code. These Samuel Morse make a code, Morse code, via his name only. His name is Morse, so it is known as Morse code, and in the form of dots and dashes. See, everywhere there is dots, full of dots and dashes only. A to Z and 0 to 9. All the numbers are there, all the alphabets are there. The sender sends the code and then receiver decodes it. Okay, see, it is written. This code was made with the help of dots and dashes. These coded messages were received at the other end by an operator. Okay, we used to send code, sender used to send code in the form of Morse code, and then it is again decoded by the operator. Okay, then these were then decoded, put into words, and finally sent to the receiver. However, with the development of more powerful means of communication, telegrams have now been discontinued in India and several other countries. Okay, it has been discontinued. It's been about 7 to 8 years or so. The telegrams have been closed. Okay, 2012 or near about 2012 or 2013 as such, these telegrams were closed in India. Now, newspapers and magazine, print media. See, newspapers and magazines are a powerful means of communication. They give us a variety of information about the national and international happenings. See, there are basically two types of media, print media and social media. I hope you might have been aware of the word social media, as you are much more active over it, like WhatsApp or Facebook or all the televisions, etc., related to news related to television, etc., which we watch on TV. So that is social media. This is print media. Okay, newspaper, magazine, this is printed and then they are being sent. So this is print media. So newspaper and magazine comes in the print media. There is a powerful means of communication. You might have been getting your newspapers in the morning time, be it the English newspaper like the Hindu, the Times of India, or be it Hindi newspaper like Dainik Jagran or Amar Ujala, etc. You might have been knowing these names. So these newspapers and magazines are also there. Different type of magazines are there, like India Today, or many magazines also come, Outlook, different magazines comes. So these are related to print media. Okay, all the information, all the news are given printed in the printed format. They also provide weather reports, advertisement, articles, information on various topics. Okay, nowadays e-newspaper and e-magazines have become popular on the internet because of their easy access. Okay, many of the apps are there, like Economic Times app or the Hindu app, the Times of India app. These apps are also there, so they publish or they give the newspapers in the form of mobile views or like app. So these e-newspaper or e-magazines, you can simply download it, or you can simply see it in your mobile also. These have become popular on the internet because of their easy access. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.